depend on Allah.
But the way things are looking, the Dajjal cannot be very far. So Allah's Israfil, just let it rip. The angel who has been willing to blow the horn and ensure what it will bring. Let Qiyamah just begin. And ensure this dunya was fun while it lasted, and now our life must begin. This place has nothing left. I don't wish for death, but what kind of life is there to live when the Sunnah is
common
dead?
man? I wish I could convince you that for every problem, Muhammad is the only solution. Yes, my dear brothers, back in the history, Muhammad was the only solution to all the political, social, economical, judicial, martial, spiritual, ethical, and domestic problems.
This is a hadith. Good news for people that have this kind of was relax so long as you don't utter it and speak it out and preach it. Then biiznillah, you are upon goodness, and if anything,
6,200 people die in this world every single hour. This is happening around us. We hear of it. We see it. We watch it. We perfume it. We carry it.
18 years old, turned around and said to him, you know what, Hajjaj? He is worse than you are from amongst the enemies of Allah on the land. You commit haram and you kill human beings. For
Suppose
a joke,
you learn tonight
without
that
any
tomorrow is
reason.
your last day. In another word, after tomorrow you will die. What will you do? What would you eat? What would you drink? How would you pray? Who would you see? Who would you talk to? What would the thoughts be? What will the action be on the last day on the face of this earth?
For the day, the fire is exposed for all to see, causing all of mankind to drop to his knees, trembling and weak, begging God, please, if you just take us back, we would be of those who believe. For the day the trumpet is blown and our bodies are raised out of our graves onto the plains under the sun, without any shade, barefoot and naked, with nothing to cover our shame. For the day we stand sweaty and scared, from terrors of which no one is spared, terrors so frightening, even a child is left grey-haired. So what have you prepared?
Khalid bin Walid radiallahu ta'ala said, is that the case? Poison can kill a person without the will of Allah, without the permission of Allah. Bring poison to me. Poison was brought. Present it to Khalid ibn Walid radiallahu ta'ala. He took it upon the palm of his hand and he read the words, Bismillah, in the name of Allah, Khairul Asma, the best of all names. Rabbil Ardi wa Rabbis Sama. This is the being that can make the difference. This is the being that is the Lord of the heaven, the Lord of the earth, the Lord of the kursi.
And they all know that in this freezing weather there can be icebergs that are like mountains from the seabed that rise up. They know this, but Allah has got their hearts in His hand.
May this moment last forever in your hearts, in your hearts. A day you'll always remember every part, every part. May this moment last forever in your hearts, in your hearts. A day you'll always remember every part, every part.